Good morning. I'd like to welcome everyone to a new school year. My name is Davine White, and I teach Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. I'm a retired teacher from a brick and mortar school system in Wise County, Virginia, and this is my second year with VAVA. This is my husband, Joel. We have been married 23 years, and he is a very, very helpful, loving, and caring person. Joel and I have 4 children. All 4 are teachers. Dave is a special education teacher at Dryden Elementary. Haley is a special education teacher at L.F. Addington. Alex is a special education teacher at Dryden Elementary. And Carnita is a math teacher at Eastside High School, where I taught for several years. I have 4 grandchildren. I have the oldest grandson is Bo, and he is 7 years old. I have another grandson, Theo, and Theo is 5. A granddaughter, Pippa, and Pippa is 5. And I have a granddaughter, Moxie, and she will be 3 in November. I'm going to introduce you to my pets because at some point during the live sessions, you probably are going to see or hear one of those. I have one dog. My dog's name is Mocha. She is a Shih Tzu, and she is going on 13 years old. I have 4 cats. 4 cats are Aretha, Lamar, Retta, and Ran. All 4 of these cats actually belong to our daughter, Alex, and Haley, and none of them originally were ours. I hope you have a great year this year in your classes, and I can't wait to see you in Algebra 1 or in Algebra 2.